Transaction messages are ideal for sending highly personalized messages such as order or booking confirmations. Here, customized and individual content is sent as a single message at a specific time. To do this, create a campaign of the type transaction campaign and a new message. Once the campaign has been created, create a new message in which the structure and content of the message are determined in the following steps. Build this new message from scratch as usual, or based on an existing template, for example. The message can either contain fixed components and only be partially personalized via the API, or you can transfer the complete content for a message from your system to the transaction campaign and send it. To prepare the message and the content, call up the editor by clicking on Edit Message. Instead of the final content, placeholders are first inserted into the message, which are then replaced with individual information later during delivery process. Important: transaction messages can only be sent via API. You can find the appropriate API call in the promio.connect API documentation. To activate the campaign, go to the campaign level in the Actions section. Click on Activate and select your message. Once the campaign has been activated, you will be automatically redirected to the reporting area, where you can evaluate it. If the message contains fixed elements that you want to change for future mailings, you can either create a new message in the campaign from scratch or by copying an existing one. To do this, go to the reporting view of the campaign and select the Details tab. Here you can then create the new message. Via the Actions and Activate menu area, you can then conveniently select from the drop-down menu which message should be active in future and sent via the transaction campaign. Generally, only one message can be activated per campaign. After the new message has been validated and activated, it will be used for delivery from that time.